In this next exercise, we're going to show you how you can resize columns. We're going to resize the description and store name columns so that they hold a maximum of 10 M spaces, or the width of 10 M's. If you recall from our previous exercise, one of the issues that we had was when we added an item total, the line got too long and it ended up wrapping around. Now, if we look at the report, there's areas that we could save space. You'll notice that the store name takes up an inordinately large amount of space that's not used. Likewise, the description takes up a lot of space that doesn't seem to be used. So let's go ahead and alter the maximum width defined for the store name and description so that make a smaller footprint on each row. So I go into my report itself. I'm going to go and look in the report structure. So we've in the order list report in the report structure. So the two things I want to change are the store name and the maximum width for that. To do that, I'm going to go ahead and highlight store name. I'm going to go to its properties, and then I'm going to open up its X size of maximum width. If we open it up, we see that it's either going to be the width of the column header or the width of 20 M's. Now we want to reduce it to the width of 10 M's, so let me go in and just change this to a 10. Expression is still okay, so I can click on OK. Likewise, I will have the store name itself, the column header, and if I go and open that up using my edit expression editor, I want to change that to be the width of 10. And I click OK. Now, just even visually looking at my report, you can see it already has made that column smaller to the width of 10 M's. The other one I wanted to do was I wanted to do the same thing for my descriptions. So I can click on the description, click on its X size. Instead of 15, I'm going to reduce it down to 10 M widths. And then I want to get its column header as well. I'm going to go ahead and open up its expression and change it to the width of 10 M's. Now I've made my changes. You'll notice I've made the changes to the X size because if I look when clicking on these fields, X is going across left to right while Y is going up to down. So it was X size that I needed to modify. Now that I've made these changes, I need to save my report. The asterisk informs me that it hasn't been saved. So I save my reports. Now I can run my application. The application executes. And now when I look at my report, it's all fitting across on each item is fitting on one line because I've reduced the width of both the store name column header and its data value. And I reduced the width of the description and the values for that description column.